Happy September, clients. It's Christian Robsek here with Service First Restoration. Isn't it fabulous? Everybody's back in school. Hey, our new newsletter is hot off the press. Go to callservicefirst.com/news, or from the homepage, callservicefirst.com, just click on the news button. But hey, great stuff in our newsletter. Kitchen Fire, now what? Got some great recipes. Hey, prize-winning barbecue ribs. Who doesn't love prize-winning barbecue ribs? And then, hey, for all those corny dads out there with corny dad jokes, here's a good one. What do you think that the new diner? What do you think of the new diner on the moon? The food was good, but it didn't really have any atmosphere. I mean, right? Hey, check out also, we got Maria, our new plumber, email or the video in the email. All right? Talk to you soon. Christian Romsek, Service First Restoration. We're here for you. Water, mold, fire, plumbing, repairs. You need us, we're here for you. Thanks. Bye.